CNC plasma cutting machine on site. This is China Railway construction of building the Hangzhou Bay Bridge. Why do large companies also choose lightweight gantry? Why are drones used more often than helicopters on the battlefield? Price much cheaper than conventional gantry. CSE. High precision rail and racks. Cutting to ensure cutting quality. High efficiency. X and Y axis adapts 3-step motor drive. Big brand LED shine. Fast cutting speed. Improving production efficiency. Versatility. It can cut various metals. Carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Material savings. Precise cutting reduces material waste a lot than manual cut. Controlled by a CNC system, it realizes automated cutting and saves labor.